A huge short covering rally in the S&P 500's most heavily weighted sector triggered a significant broad market advance in the final hour of trading after a 10% correction in the overall market. No, this isn't an article from today. This is an article from 17 years ago, August 16, 2007. I'm about to blow your mind. In 2007, these 5 things happened. July 17th, SPX topped out. Then we had a 9.5% correction. Then we had a full recovery. Then September 18th, 2007, we got rate cuts and the market collapsed. What's happening now? July 17th, 2024, SPX topped out. 8.6% correction. Full recovery. September 18th, we're about to get rate cuts. Is this deja vu? Are we stuck in an infinite time loop? And is the entire market going to crash? Before I jump into the S&P 500, I obviously want to talk about GameStop and AMC. Take a look at this. August 27th, 2024. GameStop Corp. What's happening? Well, Roaring Kitty is being sued once again. It could be a nothing burger. This guy was attempted in a lawsuit before, and then the case immediately got dropped. We'll see how far this one comes. But the fact that he's being sued by a institution, a law firm in New York with 1.5 stars out of 5, just kind of writes everything out for you. Now, before we go on further, I want to make sure that you guys are subscribed to the channel and have post notifications on, and also make sure to like the video for me. It is free. That is all I ask, since I research, edit, upload, record these for you guys, not in that order, all for free. AMC, also, you can see right here, 35 trillion tokens backed 1-to-1. This is why we assume that the float is traded over time and time again, and we can go on to different addresses, random addresses that you can see in which retail holders would not be able to afford. Moving on to some positive things, AMC has finally gotten a golden cross. Now, why is this so important? This is the first golden cross since February of 2021, and the last time this happened, it sent shares soaring over 1,200% over the next 4 months, which is exactly the part of the cycle that we are nearing on AMC. We are barcoding at $5, hopefully building a beautiful higher highs, higher lows at this trend line right here, hoping to get a bounce today, tomorrow, okay? Also, not filed August 27th, deadline August 27th. Obviously, it's not August 27th yet, but you guys get that. You don't have to correct me with everything in the comments down below. But yes, Roaring Kitty is being sued once again. Overall, waiting for a bounce here on AMC, barcoding as of right now, but the market is going to affect it. GameStop has been tightening severely on the Bollinger Bands, major contraction right here on the 4-hour chart, waiting for an expansion move. RSI is basically also sitting at the 50, which is not oversold and or overbought. I'm expecting a large move in both of these plays, as many of you know, very, very soon. In fact, August 30th, August 31st, we covered that in yesterday's video and the reasons why. BlackBerry's up 4.2%. Keep an eye on this one. There are several different stocks that have moved with AMC and GameStop back in 2021, and also keep an eye on Nokia. And then I have another list for Discord with other stocks that also moved in tandem with those. I wanted to touch on Cassava Sciences really quick because a lot of people have been asking about it. This cycle has been up 388% from the low to the high, and this is one of the largest cycles that Cassava Sciences has actually seen. In fact, matches up very well to the June 2021 cycle. In fact, if you drag the June 2021 cycle down, it kind of had a double cycle starting back in January, just like AMC, where it rose 1,500%. I'm not saying this is necessarily going to be the case. However, Cassava Sciences is looking a little bit different this time around and could potentially recapture these levels at around $130 if AMC and GameStop do have a catastrophic move, just like back in January and then in June, right? So if they follow those up, we are going to keep Cassava Sciences on our list. And also the fact that it's forming a weekly candle above this major trend line at about $28.35 is another bullish thing to see for Cassava Sciences. So this one's not out of the woods yet. It's just a little bit risky to play as of right now, since we already got one of our price targets hit and it was up over 300%. Last night, we took a trade on Keys, ticker symbol KEYS. It had earnings yesterday. We played calls on it. Shout out to Discord. I don't know if anyone followed that, but it was a last minute YOLO. Pure luck, right? I just want to put that out there. There were, a little bit of an educated guess. First of all, Discord said calls. They said it was going to go up. Secondly, I saw that they were supposed to miss by 36 somewhat percent their revenue, their earnings per share. And the way I thought about it is, hey, that's probably already priced into the charts if analysts are expecting that. So anything better than that is probably more likely to have it go up. Overall, beautiful gain. I believe it was 160% gain, so shout out on that one. We also tried trading the SPY, but you can see how ugly and whipsawy the SPY was, but we were still successful trading the SPY. I can show where we got in, show where we got out. Couple little scalps on the SPY overall, but look how ugly this chart is. 560.15 is this mid-range where the SPY is trading. This is holding support at the bottom of this channel, which we're going to look at the 4-hour right now, and I'm going to explain where the SPY is going in my personal humble opinion. Based on previous crashes, everything is lining up to where the market is going to crash. There is an extreme bear case scenario right here. However, bull case scenario is we hold this channel, we come up to the top of this channel right around 567 if we make it there, or we can reject off of the first part, which is around 563.60 or 564, okay, right in that range. Then you get rejected, scaled down to maybe 555, maybe 546.50 at the lowest, and then you come up and you break all-time highs and you go above 573.60, and then we start moving higher. That would be towards end of year. However, if everything lines up and we enter a bear market, you are in the zone where you're going to see a rejection on the SPY. That's anywhere from 565.80 to 557, okay? That is the zone where the SPY could potentially see a rejection right now. Also, Feds face up to 1 million US jobs vanishing in potentially the largest downward revision in 15 years. So we're just seeing a bunch of fake data, which just points more towards the infinite time loop that we've been in. Now, to start the day, Amazon actually looked pretty good, helped prop up the market overall, coming up to 182. Do still hold Amazon in my long term. Nvidia RSI is a little bit high on Nvidia, right around the 61, trading at 128.29. We closed above 127 recently, which I said would be bullish. As of right now, Nvidia does have a possibility at coming up to 135.18. Keep in mind, Nvidia does have earnings coming up Wednesday, August 28th. We could see an everything squeeze. Nvidia propping up, AMC, GameStop, everything kicking off a squeeze August 30th to 31st, or you're going to see a catastrophic event. Every single thing has so much tension on it that, in my personal opinion, it would be best to sit on cash or at least use stop losses. Nothing I say is financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Tesla basing off of this descending now support level, trading above 220, still looking pretty good on Tesla. You can see the range that we're trading in right now. As of right now, not a ton of momentum, but I think Tesla will react for rate cuts, probably positively. Bitcoin, also so much tension, waiting for a move one way or the other, and it's going to be explosive. You can see we have been just getting rejected, holding, getting rejected, holding, flagging out right here, and Bitcoin has not made its move just yet. We have about a month, September, once those rate cuts come out, everything is going to position into their trend, and that is when we can play it. Last but not least, couple sprinkles on top. Kamala Harris is proposing a 45% long-term capital gains, which is the highest since 1922, plus 25% tax on unrealized capital gains for wealthy individuals. This is disgusting, and I had to put it in the video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And last but not least, since we're talking about that, RFK Jr.'s running mate reveals they're considering dropping out to join forces with President Trump and block Kamala Harris for presidency. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And if you want to come talk stocks, crypto, and there is a politics tab in the Discord, it is the third link under the video. It is a coffee a month. The education you get out of it will most likely pay for itself in about an hour. So get in there. Coffee a month. I'm not overcharging like any other YouTubers. We also have options trading alerts in there. We post our gains, post our losses, best vibes, best people. Join the family, guys. I also post my trades as soon as I take them and more. Also, the second link, download Moomoo, open an account, and make a deposit. Even if you have a Webull, Fidelity, TD Ameritrade, whatever brokers you have, go get this one. They're giving you 8.1% APY on your uninvested cash and up to 20 free stocks just by going through my link and depositing into your account. They're also giving you level 2 order book data for free, access to trading options, going long, going short, viewing other exchanges, and more as a retail trader. That is insane. Shout out to Moomoo for hooking it up. Again, up to 20 free stocks. Just use my link, sign up, and make a deposit into your account. And the top link under the video, you can see right here, my custom indicator. Go get the free trial. It's 14 days. It is pattern detection. It detects patterns in stocks, and you can change the time frame, whatever you want to do. You can edit it, and then it gives you a price target and forecast what the stock might do going forward using pattern detection. So I think I have one of the best indicators out there, if not the most powerful one. Go get it. Top link. Again, top 3 links under the video. That is what I got for you guys for today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed watching more fun value added video. Let's make some money. Join us on this journey of financial freedom. We are very close to 30K subs. I love you all. Lottery Stocks out.